As they grow older, it becomes important to plan for the unexpected. At DTS today, we're going to run you through what's required to have a valid will and what can be included and what should rather not be included in the contents of the will. Monique, do you mind starting off by just explaining what the consequences are of not having a last will?
So if the deceased did not leave a will, the estate will be administered in terms of the Interstate Succession Act. And the result of that is that the act will determine who inherits your estate. So you might just leave something to someone that you didn't want to have inherit from your estate.
Okay. And then to draw up a will, are there any formal requirements that must be met?
Under the requirements to draft or to have a formal will is that it must be done by a person who is over the age of 16. They must understand be in the mental state that they understand what they are signing and what the consequences of that document is. Each page needs to be signed by both the testator or the testatrix, who is the person making the will, and then it must also be signed by two witnesses. Now, it must be signed in the presence of the two witnesses, in the presence of the testator, and in the presence of each other. And then it's also important when the will ends to have the last signature as close as possible to where it is, so that there's no open spaces in between the signature and the last condition, if I can call it that.
Okay, so that covers the 4 requirements. What can be included in a will when it comes to the content thereof?
We all have freedom of testation, so any reasonable wishes can be put in there. The most important things or the most common things that are usually included in the will is to say who is your executor and will be the person that is taking care of the administration of your estate to making sure that your wishes are carried out, and then the people who you want to leave anything to who will then be your beneficiaries.
Okay, we need that. If anyone has any further questions, you can make contact.
They are welcome to contact our offices, DTS Attorneys. The office number is 041 374 0852, or you can email admin@dtslaw.co.za.